big question with regards to children who are taken in a lawful manner is the justification from the parents who do so. Your particular story has more question marks than answers, yet many stories do have answers, and some of the parents are known. What can we say as a pattern about the reasons why parents would adopt or why institutions would take children in this way? In addition, how do you actually? I'm going to back up. I'm going to restart that.
Yeah.
Too much. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Okay. So yeah, the big question is why this is done. Another question is how it feels. So, do we have any indication as to why the children are stolen and then trafficked to different countries in the world?
And how it feels.
Mm.
Yes, I've been thinking about this, and I've been doing some research, and I think, or I've been looking around, there are different incentives. There is a lot of money, and also I looked. There are different people who are taking advantage of poor countries and the war. Because if I look in the history, it started in the Korean War. Or if I say if it was 1950 or 60, for example, in Bangladesh, the liberation war was in 1971, and it's usually there different people. Okay, there is a big need. There are abandoned children and war babies, or women who are raped, or there are different reasons of religion and children who are left alone, or it's not accepted. There is not accepted to be a lone woman with a baby if you are not married. So there are different reasons why. And then there is other interest who, what I have learned and understand, there are many who are interested in the money, and there are many people in the Western countries, US to all over the world. And I'm born, I mean, I live in Sweden, so I talk about Sweden. And adoption center from Sweden are they have a big, huge interest and big need, and in all over the world there is a big need of babies, and they are feeling some pot or need of, how can I say, families in rich countries who are missing children, and maybe they cannot have their own children, or they are very difficult to get children, and somehow they at this age before they try to say they did a good cause to help these poor children. That is how the narrative or the stories try to tell us adopted people or other people around, that they are doing a good job taking a charity or these orphaned children to their home. But there is a conflict to the cost of what, because I mean, I know how much money my adoptive parents paid, and that my adoptive parents, they were not rich; they are middle average on the income. And I saw it's a lot of money in that age in 1976, and I hope you are aware of the money it costs to adopt nowadays. It's so much money. It's huge. It's so huge money. So it's a big interest from all different levels and actors involved who wants this money. So I mean, it's the incentive or interest from the receiving countries who want this, and then it's all the middle actors who want some money of this. So I say, yes, the money is there. And also, even though in my case I'm born in Bangladesh, they stopped the adoption in 1982 because it come up to the surface of illegal adoption. So they could see this and someone somehow stopped, but it was against the religion. Muslim in the Muslim country is not allowed to adopt children, so they stopped different illegal adoption, also against the religion. So, but it's about money in all countries, and what I study and read from different researchers and different studies all over. I mean, that is the comment.